How to stop follow requests on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open Settings and Activity. In here, click on Notifications. After you click on Notifications, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Following and Followers, which will open this kind of page. In here, you'll find Accepted Follow Request. Make sure it's off. And also Account Suggestion. Make sure it's off. After you have done that, simply go back from the Instagram app. And then open any browser you want. Search Instagram.com and log into your account, which is your Instagram account. Before that, click on three dots at the top right, then click on Desktop Site. After it's Desktop Site, you'll be logged in with your account in this way. On the left side, you'll find your profile. Click on your profile on the left side. Then Edit Profile at the top. In Edit Profile, you'll find Show Account Suggestions on Profile. Turn that off. Make sure the white circle is on the left side. And then press on Submit at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to stop follow request on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.